Dividing by 9 instruction. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to divide by 9. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. If at any time you'd like to try these problems on your own, you may pause the video to do so. But otherwise, we'll be working on it together. Our first problem is 2,475. We're going to follow this same division process, but now we'll be dividing by 9. That means we'll be counting by 9. The first number we're going to look at is 2. 2 is less than 9, so we cannot count. We'll look at the digit next door, which is 4. So we'll look at 24. Let's count by 9 until we get to 24 without going over. 9, 18, 27, which is too high, so we'll count 1, 2. The closest we can get is 18 with 2 9s. So we'll put the 2 up top with 2 zeros, and then we'll multiply. 9 times 2 is 18, then we add the 2 zeros. Then we subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7, and then 4 minus 8 we can't do, because 8 is the bigger number on the bottom. So we borrow. The 4 becomes a 14, and the 2 becomes a 1. Now we subtract 14 minus 8. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now we do the whole process again. We'll divide. The 6 is less than 9, so we need to look at the number next door, 7. We'll look at 67 and count by 9 to get as close as we can to 67 without going over. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72 is too high, so we stop at 63. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9s. We'll put this straight up from where the 67 is. We'll put the 7, and then the 0 as a placeholder, and then we multiply. 9 times 7 is 63. Then we add the 0 as a placeholder. Then we subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 3, 7, 6, 5, 4. And then 6 minus 6 is nothing, so we can ignore it. Now we divide again. We look at the 4, which is less than 9, so we look next door at the 5. So we're going to count by 9 until we get as close as we can to 45 without going over. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. We landed right on it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll put the 5 up top, and then we're going to rewrite 45 because we've ran out of room. Then we multiply. 9 times 5 is 45, so we subtract. 45 minus 45 is 0. That means our answer is 275. Be sure to check your work. Our next problem is 1,062 divided by 9. We'll begin by looking at the 1, which is less than 9, so we need to look next door at the 0. We'll count by 9 until we get to 10. 9, 18, too high, so we'll stop at 1. We'll put the 1 up top with 2 zeros as placeholders, then we multiply. 9 times 1 is 9, then we add the 2 zeros, and then we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2, 6 minus 0 is 6, and then 10 minus 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we divide again. 1 is too small, again, it's less than 9. So then we look next door at the 6. We'll count by 9 until we get as close as we can to 16. 9, 18. That's too high, so only 1, 9 again. We'll put a 1 up top with a 0, 9 times 1 is 9. Add the 0, then we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then 16 minus 9, 16. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 72. Now we need to divide again. The 7 is less than 9, so we need to look next door at the 2. We'll look at 72. We'll count by 9 until we get as close as we can to 72. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. We landed right on it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll put the 8 straight up from the 2 in 72. We'll rewrite 72 because we ran out of room. 9 times 8 is 72, so we subtract. 72 minus 72 is 0. That means we don't have anything left. Our answer is 118. Well done. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we learned how to divide by 9. Thank you for following along.